Now, time for the vowel of the week. Which is face. It's the face vowel. Or that. So what is the... Let me pull up the chart. Let me fill in what we know about the chart so far. 3, 4, special one for you. A, B, O, U. 2, 3. Man. Face. I've decided to use lexical sets instead of, IPA roles. Because I think that'll be easier to, I don't think man is the name of the lexical set, it's trap, right? Oh, today's vowel of the week is face. Oh, and we know strut. So we didn't quite move in order. But that is the table as we know it. We just shade in. These faces don't have anything. No, it's wrong space. Today's vowel of the week is face. It's pronounced as A in most accents, and is represented by tense A. And, well, you might notice that this vowel is the name of the letter A. Right, and it is the most common way to pronounce A, which is probably why it's the name of A. Most common pronunciation of A. I'll time it up a bit. Too many names. Most common pronunciation of A. It is sometimes irregularly spelled with a lax A. Like in chamber. It is also spelled with AI regularly. As in faint. It is one possible pronunciation of EA. Such as in the word, I do not have an example. Yes, great. And it is also, yeah, that's it. That's basically all the ways it's spelled. It is quite an irregular vowel. That's probably like the average of what we're gonna have to deal with from now on. But I just want to say that there are a lot of irregularities with this vowel, and the reason is But again, the reason for these irregularities is that in French, there's a very common vowel that's similar, at least English speakers think it's similar to EA. It's present in words such as I have, j'ai, j'ai. Now, you'll notice it's not quite I is not quite A, it's not J, it's j'ai, but English peasants didn't know that, and so they borrowed it with that sound. And as you know, English vocabulary is heavily derived from French. Moving